Dublin FU Law, having been elected as member of the Council of Autonomous District Councils, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Khát sân là bàn ngọc rem và đi sulai.